station, all such kind of information we will store in point data. So coming to line, so we know that all lines like networks basically, river networks, streams, and even your water distribution networks also comes under your line category. Polygon, aerial features. So it has, if we have any aerial feature, then that comes under your polygon category. So we will see how to create those data sets on your topo sheets. So first we will try to create a point database. So go to, for creating point data sets, go to your layers. Then go to create layer. Then go to new shapefile layer. You click on that. So you can define here file name. So first file type you can mention. Suppose you are collecting any water sample, you can write as well locations. So here we are writing point data we are creating. So points we are creating. Click on this option. So it will take you to the directory where you want to store your database. Create point, save. Then select the geometry type. So you can select point type. Then coordinate system you have to define. UTM zone 43. So first you have to go to layers, then create layers, then go to, after create layers, go to new shapefile. If you click on new shapefile layer, then you will get this kind of window. So there you have to give your storage location, like where you want to store your data sets, and geometry type, point data, we are creating point data, so we are giving point, and coordinate system you have to give. Then you can type also you can mention, that is point name we are giving, so we have given as text type. Okay, if you are giving some number, you can give an integer. This one you can give. So add list of field list you can do. So if you click OK, then your point data set will create. So after that, right click on that layer option in your layer option. Otherwise you can go to vector database. You will get that option. Editing option will be there. Toggle editing option will be there. So you select that toggle editing icon. This. Okay. Toggle editing. Click on the those add point future. So if you click on toggle editing, that add point future that will highlight. So take that, click on that, and you can choose any point on your topo sheet. Suppose you take Dhanbad city. Otherwise ISM you can take. So you can click on that. You can mention the ID and location name. Okay. So similarly, you can choose like locations. after selecting your required number of location, then save layer editing. Go to the properties. If you click on points, then on points property, go to symbology. There you can change your symbology. Like here we have round simple marker. So according to your requirement, you can change the shape as well as size of the symbol as well as color of the symbol also. See, you can see. So go to point. Go to the. So up to this, is it clear? So one more time I am repeating. So to create the layer points, go to layers. No, first step. So go to layers, then create layer, new shape file. Right click on that so that you will get the window. There you can provide the directory where you want to save your file and type of geometry type. You can select point as of now. Then go to the name of the field also you can mention, and UTM reference coordinate system you have to mention. Toggle editing in pencil symbol. Click on that. Then if you click that one, so the next there is a icon with 3 dotted symbols, that is add point feature. Take that one and you mark the required points accordingly. Then save the point features with name and ID. Then go to layers, right click on the layer, then go to properties. Then you can change the symbology of your points. Size speed you can reduce if you want, size and shape accordingly. Okay. Then we will. So this is it. We have created a base for point feature. So on this we can add attributes like location name. Already we have. So that also we can add if you don't have the location name. Water sample, you can add your water quality parameters as well as water depth information as an attribute to this location. Suppose if you are collecting water samples here, you have pH, EC, electric conductivity, you have TDS and other like your chlorine content or fluoride content. All this information you can add as an attribute table using point data. So you can add the attribute table like attributes Attributes are nothing but your characteristics you are adding at that particular location. Even lat lines also you can add to these points as the attribute values. So now we will add the lat long values to this location. So for that you click open field calculator. If you click on attribute table, then go to open field calculator, click on that. So you can see there, create a new field you wish to create. So output file name. So here x means x coordinate, that is longitude, with decimal number which we are wants to. Then go to geometry. See, if you see here, you have many options here. According to your data type, you have to select this one. So with experience, you will get to know what kind of information you are supposed to add your layer, that you will get from your experience. Okay. Go to so this one. $x. If you select $x, double click on that. Then if you see the preview also it will give. On the down of that particular window, you will get the preview. So this particular location the longitude value will be that much, 44,000, 4 lakhs something. Okay, click on OK. So it will
45 नॉट पे तो 32 दिया है, एरिया दे दिया.
ये last round का. This is in northeast face में.
नहीं, 45 नॉट की यूटी जब करते हैं तो फ्लैट लो नहीं है, तो मीटर भी ले लेते हैं.
वही है. Just for example, I am telling that. But that represents your x coordinate. That may be in anything, like it is in decimal or it is in meter. Okay. That is x coordinate. Like just for now, you forget about the coordinate system. So that represents the x coordinate. That may be in meter or that may be in decimal degree. Okay. Next to go to y field. Go to y field means your latitude. So output file name y, or otherwise you can mention latitude also. So click on. Go to geometry again. $y will be there. So you can search. There is a search option there. So directly you can search that $y. Click OK. Then it will give you the preview. Then OK. So it will add. So suppose if you are creating your data on DEM file, digital elevation model. So if you want to get the elevation at those locations, so you can use this elevation option. Okay. In general, then so go to there, see what options. Elevation, just to give an example. Elevation line. So this is how we add the attribute to point data set. Okay. So now we will see how to create line feature. So shall I explain this step one more time? Okay. So you can take again point. Show the differentiation. Go to layers. Now we are creating the point feature again on the topo shape. Go to layers, then new shape file. Specify here point type. So now you can give the other name, point 1 or point. Few points you can give. Then point type you are mentioning, geometry type you are mentioning, coordinate system, name, new field, you are mentioning about the name, and type text, add field list, you are giving. Go to diagonal editing out tool, then shift to this add point feature. You select some random location according to your purpose. You can select the location. Click on the that file, properties, go to properties, then symbology, you can change the symbol type, give the other color. The attribute, right click on the layer, that particular layer. So open attribute table, then add attribute, open field calculator. all of you have done this one. So go to layers, same procedure, create layer, new shape file, layer. Here you have to just change the type of your point, like type of your feature. So line we are giving. Go to geometry type, line string. Okay. UTM, like projection system you have to define. So here you can mention either road, net road, river, anything you can mention, like according to your project. Add to field list that you click. Okay, that name. Okay. Then go to editing, toggle editing tool. Then, so previously there was a like one icon with 3 dots that represents point. So now you have a like line kind of icon. So you click on that line and then you take your cursor on your data set. So this is basically line. So you have to choose 2 points, one starting point, other ending point. You can draw like a polyline type. So here he is drawing for a road network. Properties, change the symbology, width as well as like style of your road, style of that line. You can use any symbol. Project styles are there. Arrows, you can use some dotted lines. Okay. And thickness also, change the thickness. First you click the small thickness. So thickness means line width. Thickness is nothing but line width. So you can specify that also. Some other contrast. Increase the dimension width of the line. We will add the attribute to this. So go to say right click on the line on the layer, open attribute table, then go to geometry, open field calculator, length you can mention. So here we are measuring the length, like we are calculating the length. So it is length, so it should be a decimal number. Go to geometry, then $length, click on that. So it will give you the preview. It is around 3.2 kilometers. So it is there. So here it is in meters, so it is 3.2 kilometers basically. So this is how we create the point as well as line. So similarly, you see the polygon also. Is it clear? Line and point. So create the polygon. So similar, go to layers, create layer, shape layer, new shape file. aerial features, we will represent this polygon format. So say polygon. So you have to select the geometry type as polygon. Then projection system. Name. Then add field list. Okay. Save the edits. After that, go to the above menu bar and save the edits. Then right click on your polygon. Okay. No. Then go to toggle editing tool. So that polygon symbol icon will appear. Then take that polygon this thing and then you draw a polygon. So you can draw along this. Save edit. So here we have created two polygons. Then go to save edits. Then right click on that polygon like file which you have given. So then you can change give the red. Apply. So on these two. Then go to open attribute table. So you can change the. Here we have given the fill pattern. You can change the pattern also. Like we have different styles of patterns here. So you can give hatching or so in hatching also we have different kind of formats. Shading also you can do. We have given solid thing. You can give according to your this thing. So go to properties. Then properties, attribute table, we will see how to calculate the area of this particular, these two polygons we will see. So we will add that area as an attribute to this. Geometry, go to geometry and dollar area. So that will give the areas of these two locations, that two areas. Okay. So this is the meter square. So if you convert this one in square kilometers, how much?
6.
Above one is 1.2 square kilometers and the below one is 40. 4.6 square kilometers. So this is how we create the point, line, as well as polygon features in QGIS. Similar way only we do in ArcGIS only. So you can you save this file. So we will in the next class we will see how to like do a proper mapping with the legend and other like not arrowing and other layouts also. Coordinate system also we will do grid up this one. So now you can save the like, UTM 45N. So if you want to convert the projection system, so how we can done that? You can like exercise at your home, like home is after this class you can exercise how we can done that one. So we will do that also tomorrow. Okay.